3, 2, 1, go! Use your pistol. Use your pistol. There's only 5 guys in there, man. Just go in there, 5 guys.
Are they using pistols?
Yeah. That's what they said.
One at the top.
5 guys. You guys got to get it. You guys got 1 minute before the cops show up.
Gotta touch it. I gotta get ready. Move.
1 more minute before the cops show up. You got to go all the way upstairs, get that suitcase, come back right out.
Gotta revive this.
You got 1 minute. No, they only have pistols, guys. They only have pistols. Use your pistol.
You need to go up, Rock.
You see where they are?
Who's hit? Who's hit? Rock, you hit?
No.
Hey, call that, bro. I got one.
I hope it's a pistol.
Hey, pistols only!
I'm gonna shoot with a pistol.
Oh, I got you there!
Semi.
Oh, semi?
Semi, he said semi earlier.
Okay, well, he doesn't have a pistol, so he's okay.
Well, you gotta take it for what it's worth.
Yeah. Here, you aim, or you go, I'll light you up.
Remember, it's 1 hit and you're out, guys. 1 hit and you're out.
I got that guy in the corner. Wait, there's 4 left, 4 left.
And then there's guys coming out right now. There's guys coming here.
Guy that's hit, come out!
They're coming right now. 10 guys. Let's go, guys. They're still inside. They're still inside. Come back. 5 guys on each. They're inside. Guys, come over here.
Top corner, Rock. Shine it. Top corner. Light him up.
Yeah, he's going up.
If you're hit, get out of there.
He's walking out with the hands up. Good job.
They're not coming. I don't know why. It's gonna come out. Let's go! Come on, bring it! Coming out over here. Hurry up and kill those guys. What's up? Huh? Oh. Kill them, man. Go shoot them. Go shoot them. Here they come. Get ready. Listo. Right now. Go. They're shooting at you. Shoot at them. Yeah. Outside. Outside.
Keep an eye that way.
You guys do what you gotta do, brother. There's 3 guys left. Or no, 5 or 6. I don't know. Go kill. Semi only, guys. There's only like 6 guys left.
Right behind you. We're right behind you. Go, go.
They took too long. Now it's on. Use it as distraction. Get in there. Get them and kill them. Get them and kill them.
Come on, go. Move.
Go semi only, guys. Semi only.
Hey, do at the doorway. Do at the stairway.
Remember, there's 3 ways inside. There's only 7 guys. There's 3 ways inside.
No.
Hey, you guys only have this way.
No.
Not at that door.
In the basement, you gotta go this way. There's only 7 guys, you gotta kill them, they're stealing your money. If you get hit, you gotta go back to respawn, which is over there in the middle. You see it? That men don't talk. Gotta figure it out. Gotta figure it out. What you gonna do? Huh? Go over to the tower. Respawn. Remember, there's 3 ways to get in. Let's go. 3 ways.
Go back.
This is the only part this way. Coming out over here, cameraman over here. On this side over here.
Hey, Drew. Drew.
Remember, there's 3 ways to get in. There's only 7 guys. 1 guy died. Now there's 6. Remember, semi-only guys. Let's go semi-only. There's only 6 guys. 3 ways to get in. Let him out, let him out. Let him out. Hurry up. No, this way. Come out this way. Come out this way. You gotta come out this way. All right, there's only like 4 guys in there. Why are you guys scared? You guys got like 80 guys. Let it. There's probably like 3 guys left. 3 guys left. Go kill them. Let's go semi-only, guys. Semi-only. We got 2 minutes, 2 more minutes. You gotta get out. They will kill you. There's only like 3 guys left. Go get up, 3 guys. You guys got 80 guys. Semi-only.